Everyone, welcome to our AIMSINDIA YouTube channel. Today in IIT-JEE Neet-Foundation course from physics subject, so light basics we are going to learn in this video. So before starting our topic, let's go through with one simple question. So what travels through water without being wet? Once again, I am repeating the question. So what travels through water without being wet? So it has to travel through water, but it should not become wet. So the answer is very simple. It is nothing but light. Because light is not the matter. It is only a form of energy. So that's why, though it travels through the water, it doesn't get wet. So next. So actually, from where does this light will come from? So most of the light is coming from the sun. So it's a natural source of light. So not only sun, from objects like candle also you will get light. This sun and candle, they are considered as sources of light. So we can divide the source of light into two types. So one is natural source of light like sun. Another one is artificial source of light like candle. So not only candle, we can take the example of tube light or fluorescent bulb. Regarding natural source also, we can take the example of a glow worm. Like this, different examples we can take. So actually, what is this light? Suppose if you are in dark room, as there is no light, you can't see the objects clearly which are inside that room. So if you switch on the light, then you can observe the objects clearly which are in the room. So we are able to see only because of the light. So light is a form of energy which causes a sensation of vision. So how does this light travels from the sun to earth? We have a distance of almost 150 million kilometers. So this 150 million kilometers, so the sunlight from the sun to earth, it will reach the earth in 500 seconds. So only in 500 seconds. So it is only because of its greater speed. It travels with a speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. So that's why 150 million kilometer will be reached in 8 minutes and 20 seconds approximately. So here it travels from sun to earth. So in between the sun and earth, in the beginning part, there is nothing. There is only vacuum. So means light can travel even in the vacuum also. Before reaching the earth, it enters into the atmosphere. There it travels through the atmosphere. So it can travel through vacuum or it can travel through medium. So but how it will travel? In what path it will travel? We can know about that with the small experiment which we have done in earlier classes. So if you take some cardboard pieces, if you make holes at a certain height, in the same height, so the light coming from the torch passes through the holes and touches the book. So it means that light travels in straight line. Light always travels in straight line, and this will be called as rectilinear propagation of light. So actually, what are these light rays? So the direction or path along which the light travels, so that direction is called as ray of light or light ray. So it is always represented by a straight line, by an arrowhead marked on it. So here from the flashlight, here some light is coming outside. So this is we can observe the lower ray of light and upper ray of light. Like this, in between we have so many rays, number of rays. So here this single line, this single straight line headed by an arrow mark is considered as a ray. Like this, in this slide we have n number of rays. So the collection of all these light rays will be called as beam of light. So if you observe this picture, here all the parallel light rays are coming. They are touching the convex lens. After this, they are changing their path and they are coming towards one point. Here, parallel rays are going towards a concave lens. After touching the concave lens, they have changed the direction and they are going away from one another and they are going distance from one another. Like this, light rays will travel. So based on their type of propagation, we can divide them into types. So these rays are considered as parallel beam, and these rays, the rays coming through the convex lens, they are considered as convergent beam. The rays passing after the concave lens, they are considered as divergent beam. Now let's know their definitions. Suppose I am having a light source here. From this light source, all the rays are coming. So here they are all originating from the same source and they are moving forward into the space without crossing each other. So this kind of collection of rays will be considered as parallel beam. Suppose, next one. From another light source, we are getting rays of light, but how they are traveling? They are all originating from the same source, but they are moving into the space in different directions. So then it will be considered as divergent beam. Suppose, in one more example, if you observe here, all the rays are coming. All the rays are coming and they are meeting at one point. They are converging at one point. So this group of rays or collection of rays will be considered as convergent beam. Like this, we have three types of beams of light. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates from our channel. Thank you.